Okay, guys, the video has started.
Let's go to the start-finish line.
And this is Christmas.
Right there.
Christmas 2014. Daddy got the kids and us all a slot car machine. Slot car racetrack. And Cameron and Daddy are racing. Johnny is supposed to be eating lunch.
Oh!
Did you wipe out again?
I did, but
you're overzealous.
Cameron wiped out now. Oh yeah, come around.
Wow. Is this fun, guys?
Okay, you want to have a race?
Cameron, is this fun?
Oh. Oh.
He's behind Cameron. Don't let him catch up. Oh, he's way behind. Dad, you can't do that corner.
I know.
Okay.